It's August 8, 2026, and Charles Perry has made another direct threat, communicating with me against my will he violates my privacy. He violates my privacy to communicate with me against my will, and he's seeing things in the privacy of my home against my will without my consent, and in my phone because he's a voyeur, and he sexually exploits women and children, and broadcasts watch time on the dark web, makes money on it, peeps and creeps himself. So I understand that he was told to present a schedule to the courts. Where have you been all day, every day for the past 15 years? What are you doing with your time? Who are you spending it with? What are you doing? Where are you? Where I am? Okay, so I rejected you and I left and I moved twice to get away from you. You're stalking me. Everything you do is with intent to coerce human trafficking delivery. You think you can sell people in the United States of America, and you cannot. You think you've sold me, and you just need to deliver, and you've put me under unbearable, unimaginable, extreme, prolonged duress for many, many, many years. And things are different when you do it to me. So, is this true right here? You're trying to make me sick? You're trying to make me blind? You got some sort of silt sealant that your guy Wade makes up that put in my food that would cause sphincter closure, bowel obstruction? Did you kill Chief Miller and frame Mike Neely? Did you try to kill my son many, many times, and you're keeping me, obstructing justice, keeping me from protecting him from you and making it worse? You trying to murder me? You trying to kidnap me? Yes or no? Is this all true or false? Is it true or false, sir? Is that true or false? You see this? I'm going to tell you right now, all 420 pages, all 421 pages of this blog are documentation of Charles Perry's criminal activity, sometimes, many times, while he's planning a crime against me, and we find out before. And then he'll sometimes do it anyway. We're going to do it anyway. We're going to do more of it. Nobody will suspect a thing. 421 pages right here. So, Mr. Perry, did you not... He's threatening me with, we're going to have you arrested for contempt of court. He's told me that. He just types it in my phone. Right? Okay. With a contempt of court charge, you have to have a hearing. And if it's a criminal charge, there has to be a trial, right? Okay, so we are asserting that you keep coming where I am, and you're doing heinous crimes, okay? You've taken money, you've taken my time, you take 1 penny of my money, you take 1 minute of my time, it costs you intel that's on this blog. And then we know you sold me, and they're trying to find a way to deliver me in an illegal human trafficking deal. You're trying to pressure me to the point where I don't have any, I would think I don't have any choice. I always have a choice. I always have a choice. I have a whole team of backup. So somebody's getting this information from you to me. I clearly can't do that by myself, right? Do you see that? A court case, anything in the court is paid for by the taxpayers. It's paid for by the taxpayers. So after you do some sort of heinous crime, keep me from my kids, hurt my son gravely, keep me from him and keep me from helping him get better, taking my money, interference with commerce and contracts with intent to coerce, stealing from women and children, run the tornado, wipe out her bank accounts, to get her kicked out of her home, all at the same time, like a tornado just wipes everything out. Then she'll go with us. Make her sick, then she'll go with us. Make sure she gets on welfare first, and then we can take her welfare benefits. Kidnap her while she's sick and can't fight back, and hold her hostage. Right? Rape, torture, murder her. Make her lie for us. And if she complains about it, we'll say she's harassing us. We had that email from 2016, 2017. There's a bunch of them. You don't even have them all. We sent you some of them. Some of them are on court dockets in the civil cases I filed against you. Did you forget we have those? We already know. And then after you do these heinous crimes and completely blow up somebody's life, steal their money and make them broke and put them in the ghetto. I took your steak. Here's your canned food. And I'm going to take that too. Why don't you like me? Wow. You tell us. Don't you think you've got power and money? You tell us why you think I don't like you. But that would be provocation and entrapment, would it not? Okay, so if you do this that you just threatened me with, I'm going to have you charged for contempt of court. I harass you 24/7. I threaten you 24/7. I've taken everything and everyone you have, everything and everyone you worked for all your life with intent to coerce human trafficking. You're the victim of a major, heinous, human trafficking comes with a life sentence per count, so that's the same as murder in a lot of states. That's a pretty serious crime. Bunch of RICO Act violations, right? So in response to all of that, I get pissed off, and you provoke some response, and an appropriate one. It's a normal response for an abnormal situation. And then I call you an incel, or a retard, or a crybaby, or a pussy, or a coward. And some of you, I called you a fag. I don't know if you're gay or not. I don't give a shit. That's not what I'm calling you a fag for. I'm calling you a fag because you're pedophiles, and you're cop killers, and you're baby killers. Now, have me arrested and let's have that hearing. Prove me wrong. You killed Chief Miller? You tried to kill my son? You're trying to kill me? Let's have the hearing. Have me arrested. Let's go to court. Right? Let's have the hearing. Let's do the contempt of court hearing. You didn't provoke, right? Produce your schedule for the court right now. You got 10 years of it. Who were you with? What were you doing? Why were you in Pensacola? Why are you where I am? Stalker. Do what you threatened to do. Have me arrested. Let's have a hearing. And then you prove you didn't provoke that. Okay? Crybaby? You think you're manly acting like you act? Yeah, prove that in court.